Disclaimer, I know absolutely nothing about makeup, like nothing. The most I do on like a usual by myself case is put on like lipstick, and that's just about it. Hi everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. What's up? How you doing? How you feeling? Are you good? Yo guys, hydrate. It is so hot. It is so hot, like for real, it's just too hot. Anyway, for today's YouTube video, second this week I might add, I'm gonna be talking about makeup. Disclaimer, I know absolutely nothing about makeup at all. So I'm on a mission where I'm trying to learn how to do makeup so that like I can do it for myself. It's simply because like in the past I've had like experiences. Ooh, I'm saying like so many times. Okay, I'm excited. Okay, I'm really excited. I've had experiences in the past where I'd have to go to a show or maybe look really cute that day because there'll be lots of pictures and whatever. Not to say that you can't look cute without makeup, but I'm just saying that sometimes makeup is there to enhance things, and it would be nice to know what kind of makeup best suits you as a person, your skin tone, what you like done to your face and what you don't like done to your face, and how to do it so that like when a makeup artist doesn't pull through, or when they do and they're just doing the most, you can be able to say, oh, this is too whatever, or it just is not working for my face or my look. So I was in SA, as you guys saw from my previous video, and it was during the Black Friday weekend. So whilst I was there, I decided to get some makeup. It was a total random decision. I was so nervous going into the store and having to like ask the cosmetic ladies there if they could help out with like finding my foundation and like just checking what works, what doesn't work, and what exactly do I need for like a basic good look. All right, so let's get into it. What am I gonna show you guys first? So I got like, I know it's not makeup, don't come at me, but I got like cotton pads because I figured that I'd need to, when I start doing makeup, I'd need to improve my skincare routine, especially for the places where I put on makeup. So I got cotton pads because I would need them to wipe off the makeup once I put it, after I'm done using it or whatever. I know that I'm going to use the cotton pads with coconut oil because coconut oil is like a magic wipe off makeup thing. So yeah, I'm going to use cotton pads. I also got this face scrub. It's shaped like a star. It was this one and a heart-shaped one, but I ended up picking up the star one because I thought the points would be like really easy to get like into those corners and stuff, you know, when you're rubbing out the makeup. So this is a facial scrub that I use. It's really hard right now, but like when you make it wet, it softens up a bit. It's kind of like a loofah. Yeah, so this is another item that I got that I'm really excited about. Okay, now into the serious makeup stuff. I'm gonna show you guys this bad boy. This is a palette. I believe it's a palette. Okay, it's by Beauty Treats, and basically it's like a little bag thing. Wow, I suck at this. This is a, you know what? It's a bunch of colors and stuff that have makeup. Okay. Okay. So it's got eyeshadows. Woo! Hold on. I'm coming. Okay. This is it. This is what it looks like on the outside. But this is it when you open it up. You have your eyeshadows, and they're really pretty colors. They're absolutely gorgeous, and I liked that they covered all the ranges that like a beginner would need. So it has like your neutrals for like just the normal down to earth looks, and it has like the brighter colors for like the night out, I want to have fun looks. So it's got like the eyeshadow stuff, it's got a mirror, and then it's got like the glitter based eyeshadows. It's got some, I believe these are lipsticks, And these are the blushes. I could be, oh, and the contouring something. Hold on guys, before I lie to you. 40 eyeshadows, 10 lip colors, 3 pressed powders, 3 eyeshadow applicators, and 1 lip brush applicator, 10 all over glitters, 5 brush shades, 4 concealer shades, and 1 brush applicator. It has all of that. I'm still yet to figure what it means, but this is the beginner set. This is my first ever kit like this. So yeah, I'm excited about that. Yeah, so that's the first product I got. And then this is my makeup, guys. I'm so excited. I got the bag as well whilst I was makeup shopping because I figured I might as well get everything so that I'm set, you know. So this is my makeup bag. It's so cute. It's small. I didn't want anything oversized, so it can definitely fit into like a bag if I'm traveling. Can fit into my handbag, although I don't think I'll ever need to carry all of this everywhere. But if I ever needed to, like maybe if we're going to like prepare for a wedding and we have to like cook and stuff first, and then after that shower and whatever, this would be real nice and portable to take along. So I'll just take everything like this. So yeah, this is my makeup bag. Now for the makeup. In no particular order, I have loose powder. Master Fix by Maybelline. This is in the shade banana something. I don't know how this works. Basically the lady said that it was a banana something. It's translucent. Guys, it's the Master Fix loose powder. That's all I can tell you right now. I have a sponge and it's dirty. Guys, how do you clean your makeup sponges? So I've already tried to do like a look before because I was testing out like a full face with the foundation and stuff. So this is my sponge. I only realized after I bought the sponge that you have to use it wet. For some reason, I thought you use it dry. This is my mascara. I don't believe I've ever owned mascara before. This is the I Heart Extreme or I Love Extreme Crazy Volume Mascara by Essence. It's really great. Like my eyes look very open after I use this. I have the Instant Matte Makeup Setting Spray by Essence as well. It's oil-free, non-sticky, and lightweight. I can't give feedback, guys. I really don't know. But when I read the instructions, it also said that I could use this as a primer. We will see. I have, okay, this is concealer, but let me show you the foundation first so I explain why I ended up getting concealer this dark. This is the Super Stay 24-Hour Coverage Foundation by Maybelline. This is it. I think it's really cute. When I put this on in the store, like she put it on like a very small part of my face, the first feeling or reaction that I got was that it was very bright. I looked bright. It was like an orangey yellowish vibe going on. So then I spoke to a different consultant there in the shop, and she advised that I mix it with the LA Girl Pro Concealer. This is in the color something, Beautiful Bronze. Yes, this is in the color Beautiful Bronze. So basically I mix this with the concealer so that it neutralizes, I think. Basically it makes it less orange or less bright. These work well together. When I only use this one, it leaves me feeling very yellow. So I don't know, this is probably not the right shade for me, or maybe it is, and I just need to learn how to mix the two. This is in a color 64 Chestnut. So yeah, we still need to experiment with this. I really don't know. So yeah, I have my makeup and my concealer. I did notice from watching other makeup tutorials that I need to get a concealer that's like a shade or two lighter than me for like highlighting. You know, when people are putting like under the eyes and like here and like here, I need to get that one. That's the one that I didn't get. This is just lipstick. It's basically matte lipstick that I have. It's Liquid Matte by Charm Lady. It's like a deep purple brown shade, and I really love it. I got it way before I had all of this makeup. This is my primer, New Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser, by Maybelline as well. It feels very light. So far, all the products I have feel very light on my skin. The ones that I have tried. I got some lipsticks as well. Okay. So I got these three, basically, okay, lipsticks, yes, lipsticks. I got these, three other lipsticks by NK, and basically it was a sale such that if you buy like 3, you get them for 20 Rand. So I got like just different odd colors based on what was left. I got like a pepper red, a bronze, I got like a very bright pink, as well as a darker pink. Then I also have this orange lip gloss, also by NK. It's really nice. It looks good when you put it on, but like when it's just here, you think, wow, it's so bright. I also have 2 lip liners by Essence in the color 5 and 10. It's the Miss You So Much and the Melt Your Heart. And then I have the eye pencil, also by Essence. Y'all need to let me know if an eye pencil is the same thing as an eyeliner or if it's for the eyebrow. I'm confused. This is the color Black Fever. And the last thing that I have is this stencil thingy-mabobby, which I feel was a waste of my money because I don't know how to use this. It doesn't make sense. I mean, it makes sense theoretically, but when you try to make the eyebrow pop, it just doesn't. So I don't know what I'm doing. And that's all my makeup, guys. That is everything that I had to show you today. This is my cute empty makeup bag. This was really fun. Now you guys have to keep me accountable. I'm hoping to at least share one makeup-ish based video with you once every 2 weeks. So that means I need to sit down and try to do a look while you guys are watching me and making fun of me and telling me that that's not how you do it, shouting at the screen. I mean, it's okay. I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm gonna learn with you guys watching me and we're gonna get better together, okay? So if there are any makeup artists out there who would like to collaborate, just come talk to me. You know, just show me how to use the makeup that I own to make myself look pretty, and promote yourself whilst you're at it. I mean, yeah, let's collaborate, guys. Let's collaborate. But this was so fun sharing with you guys this exciting journey that I'm taking on. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you haven't subscribed, please do make sure that you subscribe. If you like this video, you better click the thumbs up button. You know, leave a comment down below. Tell me what you guys want to see. Definitely wanting to create more content for you guys more consistently as well. I'm really excited. I have a few special things planned coming up for Christmas. I'm excited to share that with you guys. So you guys better make sure you're subscribed so that you can get like notified when, okay, no, you need to press the bell bar for that to happen. But basically just subscribe so that I'm in your playlist, so that when I make new content, you can see it. And I'm babbling. I'm definitely babbling. Yeah, I think that is all that I had for you today. I also have new glasses, guys. I got medical aid, so I got new frames. Aren't these so cute? Hey. No, I got new glasses, guys. I don't think you've seen them, but if you haven't, here they are. Still very short-sighted. Yeah. Yes, thank you for watching this video. I really appreciate it. Look at all this makeup.